fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never.
Alright, y'all, welcome back. Tonight we're having turkey chili. And here's the ingredients. We're using some chili beans, light red kidney beans, pinto beans, some diced tomatoes, corn, low sodium chili seasoning, carrots, onions, and celery, and ground turkey because we don't do the red meat. So yay, let's get cooking. Alright, so we got our ground turkey in here browning. We're going to cook that for a little bit. And then we're going to add our celery, onions, and carrots before it's like completely brown. Alright, so our ground turkey's about brown, so we're going to add our stuff up in there. I'm going to let this cook a bit longer. Soften up them veggies. Alright, that's been cooking. So now we're going to add our chili seasoning, low sodium. Stir that in there. We're going to add our kidney and pinto beans, which I've rinsed off. Stir them around. We're going to let this macerate together for a minute. Alright, now we're going to add the chili beans. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. This one's the petite. Now we're going to add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Always salt my tomatoes. Whole bunch of pepper. We love pepper, 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 pepper. And a little can of corn. I'm going to let this cook for a long time, like hours, on like really low. And I'll be back and check in a little bit. Alright, so that's been cooking for a while. So now we're going to add 2 little cans of V8. 1, there's 2. I'm double fisting it, yo. Alright. We're also going to add some turmeric and ground garlic. A little bit of sriracha to spice it up. Stir that up real good. We're going to keep this cooking for about another hour on as low as you can. Very, very low. Alright, here we go. Dinner's done. This by itself is 9 points, but we're about to add some stuff to ours, so stay tuned and see what that is. But bon appetit! Alright, so dinner's done. We're both making a bowl over here. We can have 2 bowls of this. But this is all the crackers and cheese we have to use, and a little bit of sour cream. We measured and weighed it out, so yay. I'll show you what all this is. I think it's like, I don't know, hold on. Look in a minute. Alright, there we go. I can have 2 bowls exactly like this for 21 points tonight. And that's my leftover cheese and crackers for my next bowl. And that's Chevy's. But yum! Give it a try.
Fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never